Dyslexic genius here. I'm back on the special decorated Triumph, but this goes with any Triumph you're going to do that has 2 4-minute changer. You have to prep it. The first thing you're going to do is take a 632 tap and just with your fingers,
What does it look like, honey?
like that. And that goes in here. That'll screw down, and you just screw these down like that. And that's going to clean the threads out. Okay, that's what this is going to do. You're just going to clean all the junk out of the threads. And you have 3 points you have to do that on. You have to do one here, and one here. Make sure you oil all the screws on assembly. So on Triumphs, it gets, with 2 4-minute changers, it gets a little crazy. This piece here fits into the lead screw like that. And that little clip, L-shaped clip, and that little screw go to this. Now you have the 2 4-minute changer pieces. This is them right here. And this fits over here. Over here. You have, almost lost it. You have this little piece, which is a plunger. You have a spring and a little screw. The plunger piece goes in here, the spring wraps around on top, and that little screw goes into there. On the pulley system of the 2 4-minute changer, you have this and a set screw. This shaft here has a little point on one end, and the other end is flat. Once you get it onto the mandrel shaft, when you put everything together like this, you're going to drop this piece, the shaft with a pointy end down, and then you're going to put the screw in. And that locks the 2 4-minute changer into position. On lubing, you're going to use Hootie grease, graphite grease, this stuff right here. And you're going to put a wee bit of Hootie around this gear, around this little gear, and the end bearing around this little gear. Because this here, this gear is going to ride on there, right here. And these gears are brass. Don't think they're steel, they're brass, and they do wear out quickly. The other thing before assembly is on the 2 4-minute changer, you have a hole right there. See that little hole right here?
Wait, let me find it. Yes.
That's an oiling hole. So you're going to come in, and you're going to just move this gear. This never gets oiled. And then it fills up with junk. There we go. And the Hootie, you just have a little bit. And that's all there is to the prep to put everything together on this. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this piece in. Always lay a shop towel down to protect anything you have, even non-decorated. You're going to slide this in. Sometimes you can get it in and sometimes you can't get them in together. You're going to put this together like that. Line the two shafts up on the lead screw to these two slots here and here. There you go, went in. Just like that. And before you start, you'll put this bearing in. I did this part on purpose. So you remember you have to put this bearing in first.
In where? Okay, so why didn't you put it in first?
Because I boo-booed a little.
Okay.
In the next video, I'm going to show you how to adjust all this, the 2 4-minute changer and everything else, and set up the tension. And that's my tip for the day.